Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to buy services on MyBoostPal. Today I'll show you how to purchase YouTube views step by step. Let's get started. For this example, I'll choose the YouTube Views product. From the home page, click on the YouTube Views option. Select the quantity of views you want. Next, select your interest targeting. You can also add likes and comments for more engagement. Copy your video URL from YouTube and paste it into the input field on the site. Scroll down and click Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, add your first name, last name, country, and email address. Scroll to the payment area, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVC. Check the box to accept terms and conditions, then click Place Order. Verify your payment with 3D Secure and your order will be created. Wait for our team to process your order, then sit back and relax because your campaign will start soon. You'll receive an email once the order is complete. That's it. Buying on MyBoostPal is easy. Take your online presence to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy boosting.